Hey friends, it's Sharon and welcome back to Beauty and Beyond. So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to do another Juvia's Place Get Ready With Me video. Ito, using this eyeshadow palette from Juvia's Place. Ayan. Excited na din ako mag-try nito. It's been like, kailan ko pa ba ito na-receive? Basta, I'm so excited and I cannot wait to try this one. So before we get started, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you are not yet subscribed, and make sure that you hit the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video. So guys, magmamadali na tayo kasi we are running out of time. So ayan, so let's get on. So para mabilis ang ating video today, I already did my brows as usual. I will be doing in an updated video pala sa aking brows soon, pero ayan, for now ganito muna. So let's get started. So I think that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this one. Thank you so much for always tuning in, mga friendships. So always remember, the makeup is not a mask worn to hide oneself, but rather it makes you a better you. So I hope to see you on my next video, and thank you again for always tuning in. Bye!